and this is my very first time owning a trampoline. I'm excited to add this to my training repertoire and tools that I use to enhance my ability to understand myself. So I guess let's get into it. Welcome. I got 2 boxes, not sure what's in each of them. Okay, these are the bars. That is quality. Like the first thing that I touched, nice and squishy, super coated. I know that the warranty is like 5 years rust proof outdoor. Springs. All right, here's the real instructions. We're connected. That feels pretty large as is. All right, and that's on the outside. Yep, I'm sure. The only thing is we might get some dirt in the bottom, but it'll be all right. Now, is every leg, or is it every, I'm gonna start with every other leg, because it might interchange. But if it is every leg, then we'll figure it out as we get there. So the trampoline is level. Have to be patient and continue trying to secure what I can secure, just like Scott Fest. My first time on the tramp, Skybound. Ooh, so soft. It's not squeaky at all. Chaco, jump up. Yeah, buddy. It's a trampoline, buddy. Oh, Blanco. Come on, Blanco, jump up. Oh, you did it! Don't cut up the trampoline. All right, we might not have them on here. Gotta build the net for security. These springs are actually really interesting. You can see that these are the ones that hook, make a full loop. It doesn't just do the U, it does the U for this side, but then it does the full loop here. So you're gonna have any springs flying off. Nice. Nice. Oh, hi there. So we first in, through, and connect it to the spring. Then we go under, and then connect it to the V bracket on the tramp. Then we fold it down. All right, we're almost there, to the border. Last step, net and the steps. Is it almost done? Final clip. Alright, step one, kick off the shoes. Okay, so we're gonna have to lace this and then tie it out so it's more taut. That I'm so excited for, the silent bounce, the extra coiled springs, the 4mm thicker steel, the coating that makes it last 5 years, no rust. There's actually more legs than a typical trampoline too, so the stability is insane. Didn't finish the swing. I'm gonna finish that swing. Didn't finish the jump. That was better. Still not enough lift. Ooh, that was better. Got a little extra twist in there. I think 1 or 2 more, and I'm ready for double cork. Up, hold. Gotta go higher. Okay, I'm ready to send it, but I don't think I'll land it. But I'll believe while I try it. I knew it! It's safe to say I have a lot of work to do. Starting right now. I was thinking about spotting differently. No more excuses. Let's go a little wide. A little wide. Oh. Maybe I just need to get some gainers. Timing down, timing up. Timing up. You need to flip later. More swing, late flip. More swing, flip later. I need to get this double cork. That was nearly it. Swing forever, prioritize my right side, finish the lift with my hip, initiate the twist late. That felt like my first double cork ever.